This is how I decided to make a paper box. You take one white sheet of cardstock, you score it at every 2 inches, leaving a ½ inch extra over on the right. You can see that there are 3 levels. That's so that you can make these tabs. The one at the bottom is the bottom. You cut along the score lines on the top row. With a bone folder, you fold it in towards yourself. Then, using a bone folder, you flip the whole page over and fold the tabs the other way. So it's facing you now because you turned the sheet over. Using a bone folder with the box right side up again, you fold it so that it will close in upon itself. Then you take a tape runner and you apply to the tabs that will go inside the box as such. And this is the finished product. You can decorate the flaps that are open, which was my point of making it, and also you can decorate the outside edges with sentiments